Are you helping, Daddy? Help him. There you go. Are you helping Daddy's sand? Good job, Ab. Such a good helper. Yeah, look how good a job you did. Yes. Did you help?
Yeah, feel it smooth. Feel it smooth.
You helping? Are you helping your daddy? Help him.
You want to help? You did. Good job.
That sheet of stickers sure is helping, huh? You got stickers? No. Thank you.